Want to turn off dark mode on X, Twitter, and switch back to the regular light theme? The good news is that it only takes a minute, and the steps are almost identical on both Android and iPhone. To get started, open the X app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile picture in the top left corner. This will open the side menu where you'll find several account options. From there, tap Settings and Privacy. After entering the settings menu, scroll down until you see Accessibility, Display and Languages. Tap on it, then select Display. This section lets you customize how the app looks and feels on your device. Now look for the appearance settings ET. If dark mode is currently enabled, simply tap light mode to switch back to the brighter theme. On some devices, you may see a dark mode switch instead. In that case, just turn the switch off. As soon as you make the change, the app should instantly update and display the light theme. Many people prefer light mode because it's easier to see outdoors or in bright rooms. It also gives the app a cleaner and more familiar appearance. If you've accidentally enabled dark mode or simply want a brighter interface, changing this setting is the quickest solution. If you don't see the option right away, make sure your X app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes settings can move slightly after an app update. You can also try closing and reopening the app if the appearance doesn't change immediately. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you've successfully turned off dark mode on X and switched back to light mode. The app will now use a bright background and dark text, making it easier to browse posts, read conversations, and navigate your feed throughout the day.